Hi everyone, my name is Jeff and I am a spokesman for the Boxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are from the Boxmen.com, and as you look at this really good screensaver of Hong Kong, I like screensavers on my device, we're going to take a look at the Plex app and how it keeps getting better and better and better. So let's take a look. Hi guys, I am back. Thank you for being on our YouTube channel called The Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you with them one video at a time. If this is your first time on the YouTube platform, we have other platforms. Those links are going to be in the description of the video below. But on this video right here, what we want you to do is just give us a thumbs up if you like the video. It really helps me with the algorithm of YouTube. Become a subscriber and all those good things. Now, because streaming changes all the time, I really love Cord Cutter News. They're one of the best resources for streaming, cutting the cord. And I followed them, not exclusively, but yeah, exclusively. And I think you guys should check them out. I'll put a link to their website. They always have great information on news. And so one of the things I found as I go to Zeus browser here is this right here. I found this ad, or this not advertisement, but article that Plex launches 92 more fast channels worldwide in July. So a fast channel stands for free ad-supported television channel. And there's a lot, or a few of these applications that are really taking things by storm. And as you can see in this right here, it says that this expansion includes channels in the US, Canada, Mexico, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Spain, Brazil, France, and Germany. Plex has been on a rapid growth trajectory in 2024, adding over 300 channels in the first 7 months alone. This expansion aligns with Plex's mission to be the premier destination for discovering, watching, rating, and discussing shows and movies with friends and family. So as you can see, these fast channels, they have so many things worldwide, and they do have ads in them, so they're ad supported, but the advertisements or adverts are not long and they're not obtrusive. They're just not bad. I mean, you're looking at maybe 20 to 30 second commercials, but no buffering or anything. In all of this content, all of it doesn't require a subscription. It doesn't require a username or a password or anything like that. It is absolutely free. And if you have an Android device, or maybe even an Apple device, but I speak specifically for Android, you should be able to find this application in the good old Google Play Store. So you can connect to the Google Play Store and install some of these apps here. So what you're going to see among the new additions are channels of 24/7, including Weeds, Designated Survivor, Nash Bridges, Prime Suspect, CW Forever, all these, The Price is Right with Drew Carey in Canada. Additionally, there was a significant onboarding of channels from Bell Media in Canada. These things and these channels are really becoming very popular. So it combines the free TV with ad-supported video on demand to reach over 23 million monthly active users globally. This is a big platform. So without any further ado, let's just take a look at Plex and where we can find it. Let me go over to my apps here. Let me see. There it is right here. It's already on my device. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And if you've never been into Plex, or maybe you've seen it, it is one of the best ad-supported platforms on the planet. And like they said, Weeds is right there. This is one of the best shows. It was on Showtime years and years ago. Great show, great actors, great storyline. I think it was on for 6 or 7 seasons. Very, very good. So if you push to the left, you'll always have the home button there. You got watch list. So if you create an account, which I do on my other device, you can save different things as a watch list to watch them later. If I continue on, it has a live TV with an interactive electronic programming guide. You can see the Plex channels. You can see featured, hit TV, drama TV, true crime. These are all live channels that you can connect to, reality, news, sports, different sports. Okay. You got all kinds of things here to watch. Some of them are on demand. They've already happened, not a lot of live. But then you also have game shows. Remember, they said the Price is Right. As we go down, there it is right there. The Price is Right. You got the old Price is Right, the new Price is Right with Drew Carey, Deal or No Deal. Here's the Price is Right again. All right, so you see it all right there. The Edge, Family Feud, all of it. So there's a lot of different content here that is worth it all the way across, from daytime TV, you know, you got movies, sci-fi, chills and thrills, classic TV, food and home, black entertainment. There's a lot here to be free. Here's the movies and TV shows. Like I said, I was on, definitely on Plex. You have Plex Picks. You have Summer Lovin'. You got binge-worthy shows. All that is here. But one of the things it also does, it allows you to rent some things. Maybe there's some new releases that if you want to pay for these, you can connect your credit card or connect a payment, and you can watch these if you like. Another thing that Plex does, if you know how to do it, is it allows you to use your own content. It is nothing but a player, but what a beautiful player that gives you so much for free, with 23 million people using this on a global level. So it's going to run, and it's going to run very well. This is Plex. It keeps getting better and better. It's absolutely on all my devices, and I suggest if you don't have it, go ahead and get it right away. Before I close out the video, I want to thank the winner of the Formula Z Mini. His name is Billy Garcia. He's out of Texas. I contacted him yesterday. Billy, thank you so much from the Boxmen.com and our affiliates for being the lucky winner of the new Formula Z Mini. It is in the mail today, my friend. You should have received your tracking information to your email, and we are very grateful that you're a great subscriber of this YouTube channel. For your information, we do resell different products and services, especially devices, not the services, boxes with the live TV in them, where you can go ahead and add your own movie app, whatever you want to do. Hit us up. We have great deals for everyone. But more importantly, stay tuned, because we're going to be having another free giveaway where we're going to be giving away, get this, 2 GTVs in the month of August. 2 GTVs. I would say early September we'll do the drawing. So we're going to go to September 10th. We're going to be giving away 2 GTVs to 2 individuals. So when you see in the next couple of videos a way to connect and put your name in the hat, make sure you follow those instructions. Also, our website should be back up next Monday, and we will be taking orders for those that want the best Formula devices with the best live TV on it. And we give the best tech support and customer support as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, you can text us and get a hold of us, and one of our associates will get back to you. Have a beautiful day.